Hey, it's Dr. Colorado, Integrative Healthcare Solutions. I'm with Sam, our chiropractic assistant today, and I'm going to talk to you about 3 common sleeping mistakes. Number 1 sleeping mistake is people are sleeping on pillows that are way old or that are just worn out. So ask yourself, how old is your pillow? The pillows we use in office last for about 5 years. Most pillows, expect to have about a 2-year lifespan. The second common fault is using too many pillows at night. So I'm going to demonstrate with Sam. Sam, go ahead and lay back. And when Sam lays like this, you can see her head is tilted forward and there's a lot of pressure on those cervical spine joints. And that's it. She's going to wake up with a really stiff neck. She can start having headaches, trouble sleeping, all this because common thing, number 2, is you are using too many pillows at night and pillows all around you, and that is going to irritate your neck and cause you trouble sleeping. And then the last, most common sleeping position that is sleeping fault is people sleep on their stomach. So when you sleep on your stomach, it's really hard to get comfortable, puts your neck in bad positions, you fall asleep on your arm goes numb, you toss and turn at night. Do not sleep on your stomach. So that is sleeping fault number 3. If you're having these 3 things and you need help, comment below and we'll see you in office. Have a great day.